How to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without a backup or restore deleted chats. Now, if you have deleted your chat like this, like a whole conversation, you long pressed on it, you tapped on this trash icon and then you deleted it and you have not backed this up. Backing up means you tap the three dots icon here, and when you go to settings, we go to chats, we scroll down and we tap on chat backup. Or maybe you have not backed up to a Google account like this and tap the little backup button. Unfortunately, you cannot recover your chats if you have not backed up, because WhatsApp is an end-to-end encrypted chat platform, which means WhatsApp themselves does not store your data. So if you store your data and back up manually, you can recover them. If you do not store and then you deleted the chats, you cannot recover them. WhatsApp does this for your own safety because WhatsApp themselves does not have access to your chats, so no one but your own backup could recover it for you. So if you have made a backup, though, fortunately, you can try to log into WhatsApp. It will give you the option to restore the backup. But if you have not backed up, then in that case, it is not possible to recover the chats. So I hope this video helped you understand. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.